let's talk about the cash flow statement. So by the end of this section, you will understand why a cash flow statement is very important and how it's additive to the income statement, right? And then what the relationship is between all three financial statements, okay? Once we understand the connection between all three of those financial statements, then we can learn how to create a financial model for Tony's company, right? And that's the fun part. So what is a cash flow statement? Well, I'll explain in more detail in the next lecture. Why are we doing this? Well, we're doing this so we can understand what is accurate and not accurate about the income statement, because the income statement gives you net income, but net income is not always cash, and cash is king, okay? So how are we going to do this? Well, we're going to do Excel exercises, right? And I'm actually going to show you how it works. A balance sheet and the income statement, if you have both of those, you can create the cash flow statement from scratch, right? After that, then you can focus on modeling the future. Okay, this will all make sense to you very, very soon. Don't worry, okay? It'll make sense. It'll make sense. All right. And Excel is awesome because we can set it up so that the income statement and balance sheet can talk to each other and create the cash flow statement without you doing anything at all. Okay? We'll make it together. It'll make more sense, right? And we need to do this again for Tony so that we can earn his IPO business when we hopefully take Shark Virtual Reality public. Don't join his firm, okay? Just stay with me, please. I want you to be long-term greedy. I will make you a partner in this firm longer term if you stay, okay? I know he wants you to quit. I know he's talking to you. How do I just know, right? Don't become a CFO yet, right? Just stay with me, right? Let's do this IPO together, okay? I'm going to shut the hell up now. Anyway, I hope you enjoy this section.